Yo, all right, it is market opens in 1 minute. Actually in like 10 seconds. So right now, it looks like we have some accumulation, manipulation, and then it looks like we're just gonna distribute to the downside. But actually, I think that this is gonna be New York reversal, and we're gonna be looking to take out these highs. Um, but we'll have to see what happens as price takes out this low, which is um, right now I'm expecting London low to get swept, and then we can maybe uh, invalidate 5 minute bearish order flow, and we can look for longs up to Asia high and London high. But we're 1 minute into market open, nothing to rush into. That's just what I'm looking at right now. We'll see. Okay, so ES already took out London low, so we'd probably just want to see this SMT stay formed, and then we'll inverse this 5 minute fair value gap on both indexes, and maybe we can see longs. Again, we're literally 1 minute into market open, so nothing to rush into. But if that SMT does stay, it'd be ideal. Orange Celsius every single day, man. It's the best. Yo, I'm gonna try something real quick. This might mess up my thing. Wait. Alright, so yeah, if we wanted to see a reversal here, well, I guess we have 2 more minutes until that candle closes. Hold on, this might mess up the recording, but I'm gonna see what this does. Oh. Did nothing. I don't know. Alright, whatever. I was gonna try and enlarge the profit, but oh, fa. I need to open Trade Sinker. Look, you be forgetting. Yeah, right now I definitely want to see these session highs. I really hope that this fair value gap stays in place, though. Oh. All right, so since this fair value gap just got formed, I just want to see it get inversed to disrespect 5-minute order flow, and then we can look for longs on ES after we come back and retest 5-minute bullish confirmation. If that does get inversed, obviously I'm saying a lot when we're only 5 minutes into market open. So like as of right now, we're really not looking for anything, but. So, if I had to guess, or if I had to say what I would prefer, I would love to see I would love to see NQ or ES take out one of these 5-minute highs. Oh my goodness, dude. I'd want to see like NQ like actually I don't think I'd want to see those highs get swept ideally. Ideally those highs probably don't get swept, but I need ES to inverse this for value up though. Definitely looking for longs today though. Dude, everything is so slow and it's really annoying. Yeah, basically, I just want to see this get inversed. If we could leave these 5-minute highs alone, actually, and then come back down into equilibrium, then we can look for longs. Although, yeah, I wouldn't want us to get up that high. Ideally, though, ES does inverse this as well. And we'd actually be looking for the trade on ES. Because it's the leading index. And it's a cold, cold world. Going up so fast. Tell you the story, still don't know the half. Early mornings and late night slides. Choppers and handguns protecting my life. Finally figured it out. Finally got it out. Yeah. Yeah, dude. This looks really good. Ideally NQ does not take out that high. But I do want to see ES inverse this, and then we'll just look for rotations down. Bro, please inverse. Oh. That's rough. Depending on how we respect equilibrium, though, I would still consider. Who I am. You don't understand. And it's a cold, cold world. Going up so fast. Tell you the story, still don't know the half. Early mornings and late night fights. Choppers and handguns protecting my life. Alright. And it's a cold, cold world, growing up so fast. Tell you the story, still don't know the half. Early mornings and late night fights. Choppers and handguns protecting my life. Dude, I want a hoodie. I want one of those hoodies that, like, engulfs your head. Yo, this 1 minute is ugly. One minute, bullish SMT though. Finally got it right. Yeah. So, like, for instance, though, if we were to inverse this on NASDAQ, I'd take the trade on NASDAQ because we have a 1 minute SMT on NASDAQ, but I'm still looking for longs. Or NQ could literally just want this session low. We'll see how this closes. Staying patient. Honestly, I don't need to take a trade today at all. For a guaranteed spot in your heart. This is going to be a bearish close, so most likely. Honestly, at this point, with how much bearish pressure we're seeing, I'd probably want to just take out shorts to the downside. I mean, I'd probably just want to see at least London lows get swept, but I don't know. We'll have to see what this fair value gap looks like too, because we're gonna retrace up to it. Equilibrium's pretty doshed. I mean, we're gonna want to retrace into equilibrium. Um, wow. All right, well, definitely a shorts day. But then, bro, I don't like that NQ didn't take out any of those 5-minute highs. But, I mean, I guess we'll see how this plays. We got nothing to rush into, honestly, and I mean, we're getting around that time, though, where I'd like to enter a trade. I mean, if we can't even get a retrace here, I mean, I can't even take a trade, so. Okay, that's a retrace that we would need. Whoa. I don't know what I just did. Alright. We can start looking for shorts pretty soon. And a 1 minute SMT would be huge. I tell you the story, you still don't know to have. Excuse me. I'd probably want to take it on NQ just because how much liquidity there is, but we'll see. They're both going to hit equilibrium in a second. And it's a cold, cold world. One minute SMT. Bro, it's just like... The easiest draw on ES is still to the upside. We'll see. Dude. And we just closed above equilibrium. Like, ES's draws is still the session highs. I wouldn't enter there on NQ. I'd want to see the bottom one. And ES for this one. The only way I would consider longs here. ES has a long way to go. We're kind of in like a void of liquidity though. That's a long drop for ES. So really long drop. NQ has draws down here, but oh, it's a cold, cold world. Growing up so fast, still you the start. Ten a.m. candle was about to close. ES inverse that actually. Bro. Holy. Yo, chill. Don't leave without us. Bruh. Alright, well, I'd want to take this short on NQ anyways. Oh, shit. Hold up. I think it's like... Okay. This actually looks good. Lock in on TPs, bro. Hold up. Yo, literally the only TP for ES is all the way down here. That shit's gnarly. That's a gnarly drop, but we'll see. um. Oh shit. Ah, this is so scuffed. Two five, no, yeah, 5-7. I really want to see us close below this, by the way. TP1 is 25456.00. I need to actually put that in on my chart. Buy 2, because yesterday we messed that up. There we go. All right, this looks great. I mean, ES has to come all the way down here, which is insane. Let's That's only a low resistance draw on ES. TP1 hit. Or not. Bruh. No way we get edged like that. There we go. Bro. And then TP2. Right here. Final TP will be down here. What is it? 2, 5, 3. Honestly, I think I'm just going to take full TP right here because I don't need anything else. I just need to make sure I have my TPs set properly. Yeah. And also, need like, I think 600. When this number gets to like, when I'm like 550 in profit, I should have closed my position because I only need 550 to pass literally 8 of the evals, so I think I'm just going to close when that happens. Because I'm still copy trading like a ton of evals. While, like, in addition to my live account, so hopefully this can hit. And I think that's somewhere like down here. But we'll play a waiting game for now. I should have closed though. Guess it is what it is. Nothing I can really do now. Certainly not going to close now. Yeah. Would I say 550? Yeah. Okay, I only need like 530. But and it's a cold, cold world, growing up so fast. Tell you this. Bro, I wish I could play music, but I don't think I can because my laptop's low key about to die. I don't think I can because I think I can't post this on YouTube if I do. I know that it's somewhere like around here, so. Yeah, that's 520. It's like, okay, right there. And I'm not doing this like out of emotion. I do think that these lows are gonna get hit, but I want to pass these evals, obviously. I low-key didn't think about that. I should just close my position earlier. This is kind of lame. We're chilling because ES already inversed. Yeah, this is gonna hit. All right, well, I'm done. I'm filled. Oh my gosh, bro. Flatten. Okay. Boom. Yo, I passed all my evals. That's huge. Let's go. I am going to take some more partials on my live. Just because, like, I mean, I don't need this. I'm up already so fat. So. Let's see. What am I trying to do here? Tell you to stop. That actually still might hit, so. Alright. We're just gonna chill. Dude, that's huge, bro. Passed all my evals. So we just made $12,548 across all of my accounts. I'll show that on the screen. That's disgusting, my bad. Boom. $12,500 across all 15 of my accounts. W day. W day. All right. Yo, we haven't missed once this week, which is a little scary because that means I'm going to be going in live to that means I'm going to be going in live like on a win streak. So, we're going to play it super super cautious. I'm done for December I'll be on the charts Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, but I'm not going to be looking at a trade. To be honest. Dude, that's crazy though. We're up fat. Yeah, nice patience. Good patience today. W trade. Uh we're out right there. Nice patience today. And we passed like 8 evals. So that's huge. We're gonna be banking. We're gonna be banking. But this is gonna hit too, to be honest. So we're gonna be banking a lot of money soon. Now those evals are live. So honestly, I really want to be done with December. I really want to be done with December because I'm so to be fair, to be extremely transparent. So I copy trade 15 funded accounts, and since that's the case, you know, I copy trade 15 funded accounts, all 50Ks, so I have access. But one is not working, so really 14, and I believe that's a total of 700,000. I think that's an equity of 700,000. And my account balance across all of those when I started at baseline was 700,000, because I believe that's 50K times. I'll do the math in front of you guys. So 50 times 14. Yeah, so $700,000 account balance. Well, right now my account balance is $793,843, and what that means, and only 4 of those accounts are live. So what that means is, if all of these accounts were live, I would have made $93,843 off of all of my accounts. And hold on, I'm low-key gonna get out of this on my live position too real quick. Boom. Wow. Easy days. We're just banging profits recently. So my account balance is at 793,000 across all of the evals and lives, all the 14 accounts I'm copy trading, which means that obviously my total profit for literally just December, which has been 12 days, would have been $93,843. With that being said, only 4 of those are live, so the rest is evals. So 93,000, we'll just say it's 845, but whatever. I guess we'll take that. Now let's keep the math simple. So we'll round up to 84,000, right? 94,000 across 14 accounts, right? So 6,700 roughly per account, and only 4 of those are live. So yeah, so I've made $26,857 from my live accounts, um, from my live funded accounts, but obviously I'm missing out on the 93K or 94K or whatever. So across the evals, right? Whoa, that does not add up, does it? No, what? Oh, because I did. Bruh. Yeah, so I essentially am missing out on $66,000. But now that I just passed 8 more accounts, um, that is obviously that number would be mine. So with that in mind, I think I'm gonna call it here for December. It's been December has treated me so well, um, and you know I've only improved on the charts, and so I'm gonna take these wins and go into, um, and we're literally watching my original TP getting hit. So we're gonna take these wins and take these live accounts now, these past accounts into January and into the new year, and call it there. Um, so I think that this has obviously been a huge month for me. Again, it would have been $93,000 that I would be cashing across funded accounts. Like I said, I can't take the majority of that. I can only take 26,000, which is still a lot. And then also, risking my personal capital, I've even been able to add more to that. So, wow, yeah. So we've made a lot of money. That's full TP right there, by the way. Wow, bro. Sending this to the WAP, which, as you guys know, I send day trading signals. 75% off right now, link in bio. But yeah, it's been a huge month. We've made a lot of money. So with that being said, guys, I'll see you guys when these are live, and the grind don't stop. So I'll catch y'all.